Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall and remove Microsoft OneDrive from your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in apps. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and select that. And then the search this apps list, go ahead and search for OneDrive. Best results should come back with Microsoft OneDrive. Go ahead and select that and then select uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall to confirm and then give that a moment. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be from a verified publisher, Microsoft Corporation. Select yes and then proceed with the removal of this application. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.